I'm getting my camera gear ready for tomorrow night. I'm charging the batteries and getting all prepared. I got my flashcards and my earplugs ready to go. I got my business cards and we're ready to go see Buddy Whittington and Wanda King tomorrow night. We're back on the road again, and tonight we're going to photograph Wanda King. This is the Hearst Public Library. Gotta lock my car. Kind of a strange place for a concert, but we're going to find out. That'll be interesting. So you're going up the ramp?
I can't go up that with my back.
Oh, I hear you.
So tonight Julie's going to be behind the video camera and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully everything will go well. Hey, please hit that bell and like and subscribe. It helps us out a ton. Thanks. One of the cool things about this show is up close and personal. We got to hang out with the artists for a little bit, talk and have a little interesting conversation. It was really pretty good. Enjoyed it a lot.
I have all kind of chorus going on.
Yeah, the first time I saw you in years was
Yeah.
but I was kind of like, I saw Buddy Whittington, you were down in Cleveland with some.
Yeah, we do that. We do that.
On the front row.
Right. Why do we do that there? And Thomas got some other kids down there too, like when they do the outdoor city, that kind of thing.
It was rather informal and the public got to mix with the artist. And now it's time for the show. Enjoy.
Six in the bus, 28 in the west. Who's on the phone? The hit
I thought I'd sprinkle in a little bit of the still work I did from the show. Photography was a little interesting in the theater because it was not actually a theater, a club, an arena, or anything like that. So there was some really strange lighting to take care of.